Today we will be unboxing the ViewSonic PJD6531W projector. First, I will gesture aimlessly while spinning the box around, searching for cosmetic blemishes. Now for a blurred close-up as I read off the specifications. Time to open the box. The first accessory appears to be some kind of remote wrapped in environmentally conscientious No. 2 plastic. Next, we have a few cables. They too have been wrapped in No. 2 plastic. This accessory has been packaged in a resealable bag. It even comes with an extra long twisty tie. Let's keep it safe. I think this accessory has a twisty tie as well. Quickly. Wow. There you go. Another resealable bag. How reflective. Paper squares with frisbees inside. 2 of them. Amazing. The largest piece of plastic yet. So clear. Jackpot. Yes. Impact-absorbing hollowed rectangles of cellular plastic. A matched set. What's this? A translucent cushioning cover. Beautifully crafted. And finally, one last sheet of plastic. In all seriousness, unboxing videos are exceedingly useless and annoying. Although unboxing a product can be very exciting for you, it is often quite boring for others. When making a review video, it's best to focus on the product's features once it's out of the packaging. Remember, only you can prevent unboxing videos. Thank you for watching.